How to fix Instagram story views. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story views. Or what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it again. After that, or what you have to do is go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it again. Go back and this time go to the apps manager and then go to the apps. Wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram. Click on it. On this page you will find all the app informations. Click on force stop. After you click on it, go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back again and this time go to the power usage details and make sure to disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. And that's it. Restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.